come attached to a pallet, but let's just show you real quickly how it's organized. So it'll be nicely packed. There's a bunch of different boxes included in the package, and I'll go through the different parts, but I just wanted to get you a feel of how it'll come packed. So the parts are pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to go through this one box. This one box has all the smaller attachments. Obviously you'll have your Rogue Made Squat Max belt that'll include a carabiner. And then what I really wanted to focus in on is some of these smaller items real quickly. So you'll get this plastic bag. Just gonna go through this real quickly. So very important, you're gonna get four of these hex head bolts that you'll need to put the guide rod on. So there's 4 bolts, 2 critical pins that allow you to adjust the Squat Max platform. This rubber mat that goes on the guide rod that prevents athletes from slamming the loading pin into the metal part underneath. Just finishing out, and I'll go through these more in detail, but this is the 24-inch strap that'll go on the loading pin to prevent it from coming off. This hex key is important because it's used, and we'll talk about later for putting the guide rod on. Just running through here real quickly. You'll have 2 3-inch UHMV plastic backing that goes on the clamp just to prevent the clamp from being too abrasive when you clamp onto your squat rack. Almost through. I'll talk about these later, but I included 2-inch diameter washers, and you can purchase more of these if you like them. They're just, if you're using bumper plates, you can put these between them, or you can use a 2.5-pound plate, but we'll talk about these more. Finally, the last things I want to go through is there's 2 plastic, just finishing off the handles. So these actually will go in the handles just to make it a completely finished product. And then we'll talk about these, but there's a couple parts that just go with the clamps. The clamp handles actually come apart, and then you just have this washer that goes on there. But we discuss this in length further in the video.